Welcome to G8Keeper Setup Series. In this video we will look at how to configure folder or code backup in G8Keeper. G8Keeper makes it really easy to configure and schedule folder or code backup. If you want to be notified when the backup has been completed, you can turn the notification on for the same and you will be notified when the backup is completed. Not only that, G8Keeper, by default, also keeps track of backup size and plots a chart so that you can keep an eye on how the folder size is growing over time. On G8Keeper web interface, you need to navigate to Server Settings section. You can do that by clicking on Settings icon on Monitor Servers page. On the Server Setting page, navigate to Backup tab. On this page, you can provide settings for folder as well as database backups. In the folder backup section, you will need to provide schedule for folder backup, and then folder name and path related details. You can configure backup of multiple folders by using Add More button to add other folder paths. When done, click Schedule to complete the folder backup setting. With G8Keeper, you can store folder backup in your own cloud storage space. We currently support AWS S3 bucket, Google Drive or Dropbox. You will need to configure AWS S3 bucket, Google Drive or Dropbox and then update the details in backup upload path setting on the same tab. The links for setting up AWS S3 bucket, Google Drive or Dropbox is provided in the description section of the video. With G8Keeper you can save encrypted backups. For this you need to create private/public key pair. You need to place the public key on your server and provide path of that in encryption public key path. Once all the settings are correctly saved, G8Keeper takes backups at designated time and keeps track of all the backups. It also displays details of how the backup size is changing over time. Hope this video was helpful and you have been able to configure the folder backup in G8Keeper. Thanks for watching.